Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a non-USB device or malfunction. And before I start, make sure you enable subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. I'm pretty sure everyone has plugged in a USB in their computer, and when they do so, Windows notifies them that something is wrong with the USB device. For example, Windows cannot recognize it or it's malfunction. Exactly as you see in this screenshot right here. I'm pretty sure everyone has had this pop-up once in their life, and when they see it, users do not know what to do because they do not know if this is the USB's fault or the ports itself. So in this video I will show you how to fix that issue, and I'm going to show you some very simple methods. I'm not going to show you any complicated methods, and you will not even need the software. I'm going to tell you right now that if all of the methods that I tell you did not work, then the most logic and right answer would be that your USB has a problem. So before I go to the real solution, I'm going to tell you some very simple methods that you can pretty much do right now as we talk, and I'm going to go quick with them. So the first one is to take out the USB device from the USB port and plug it back in. So basically take it out and put it back in, and if that did not work, try one of your other USB ports that your computer has. So for example, if you plugged in your USB device in the front connectors or in the front of the case, try plugging the USB device to the back of your computer, and vice versa. And if that did not work, one good solution that you can try out is to take the USB device and plug it to your laptop, to your TV, or to your phone if you have an adapter for it. So if you have a laptop or a TV that has a USB connector, I'm pretty sure every laptop has a USB connector, but I'm talking about TVs, but still TVs has USB connectors. Try plugging the USB device in one of those three devices, and if they do not work, then the most logic and right answer again would be that the USB has a problem. If you plugged in your USB in one of those three devices and it works perfectly fine, then the problem will be Windows or the ports themselves. So I'm going to tell you right now what to do. So what you need to do, right click to start and click Device Manager. And once you open Device Manager, you will see the bottom one that says Universal Serial Bus Controllers. You will see that this one will be expanded automatically, and you will see one specific driver that it has a problem, because you will see next to the USB icon, you will see a little triangle icon, and that basically means that this driver has a problem. So there are three solutions how to do this. The first one that you can do is to right click to the driver that has the problem, click on install, and then click uninstall again. And once you do that, the driver will disappear, but do not worry, it will reappear again once you plug out your computer and plug it back in and you refresh Task Manager, and it will automatically pop up again. If you see that the little triangle is still there, you can right click to the driver again, click Update Driver, and then click the first one that says Search automatically for updated driver software. This one works the best, so try that first if you want, and it should hopefully fix the issue. The last method that you can do is to right click again, click Update Driver, and then click where it says Browse my computer for driver software. And here you need to click the bottom one that says Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click that, and you should see one driver listed here, the generic USB hub. You could have multiple or one, I'm not sure, but if you see the generic USB hub driver, as you can see right here, click next, and it should apply that driver to that specific USB device. And the result could either be successful or unsuccessful, I'm not sure, but these are the methods that you can try out, and it will take you less than 5 minutes on all of them, and even the simple ones that I told you before. And yeah, that's everything it. And as I said, if none of those methods worked, then the USB device itself has a problem. And yeah, that's everything it. That's a video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section. I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.